Got it that time. Hey folks, Ola here, coming at you from the local lake. Well, my objective today was to get out and test this remote again, and sad to say, within 2 minutes I had disconnect of I think it was this camera, and then I repaired everything, turned it on. It was good for a while, and then that camera disconnected, and then this one disconnected, and then those two disconnected, and those two. I found a somewhat semi workaround that works part of the time, go figure. So I'll do that and put in a GoPro support ticket. Not that that's going to make a difference. If you've used GoPros, you know they really don't pay much attention. But I will submit a ticket and see if they can do something. But the workaround, instead of rebooting the cameras, I mean, I tried, first I repaired everything and it worked for a minute. And then the next time it happened, I just rebooted the cameras and the remote, and it worked for a little while. And then it happened again, and on the third time and the fourth and the fifth time, I just rebooted the remote control. I didn't touch the cameras, and it seemed to last longer before it had the error again. So in the meantime, the workaround is reboot this remote control, and like right now, everything's working fine. But yeah, it's not ideal, but that's how it's going to have to be till they fix it. And in the meantime, I caught 5 fish. Nothing huge. Last one was a little Teletubby, fat tummy. So that's not bad. I wasn't expecting to catch anything. I got out here, the duckweed was so thick right here, and now it's thick on the other side because the wind picked up. So it went from no wind to about 15-mile-an-hour winds. But I had fun with the fish that are under the duckweeds. So I was going to go fishing tomorrow, but looking at the forecast, it's going to be 32 degrees tomorrow morning, so you're not going to see me fishing. I came today instead. So I just want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas, a safe Christmas, and I hope Santa's good to you. So let's just roll today's Christmas Eve fishing footage. Good morning, folks. I got a YouTube message. It is 8:47 on Christmas Eve, and I am out here at my local. This is not really about the fish. I am out here to do another functional check on the remote control. So I reset everything, reinstalled the firmware, factory resetted all 3 cameras, paired them to the remote, and I got out here and none of them would connect to the remote. So I just had to do pairing again from scratch, all 3 cameras. So yeah, we're off to a good start. Well, I'm just gonna get out here. It was supposed to be windy, but you know what? There's not a lick of wind. Stupid Weather Channel says like 18-mile-an-hour winds. Wow, look at the duckweed. I chose to stay on the little lake just for ease of loading and unloading. Wow, I don't even know if I can get my drive through here. Okay, cameras are all rolling. Let's see if I can get something onto the dock here. As I hit the wood, like always. All that empty space, and I nail the beams. Hit it again. Wow, just full of duckweed. Let me toss it over here by this grass. Jeez, I need to put a weight on. I'm hoping I can get out. The other side of the lake's not bad. It's just this south end. Bam. Yeah, I might need to throw some weight on this worm to punch it through this mess. Although I love watching them come out on top. They'll hit it like a topwater. The prime bite's on for a little bit longer. I should have gotten out here earlier, but like I said, I thought it was going to be windy. It's beautiful. It's about 70 degrees. We got a big front moving in, so maybe I'll get lucky and catch a few fish on the leading edge of this front. Whoa! I bet no one's been in this lake all week. Not with this big mess. Some stuff up in this brush. Damn, there goes the rear camera already. You've got to be kidding me. 5 minutes into it. Can't say that it's heated up. You can't say that it's much of anything. And we'll see if we can continue to run the 2 front cameras. So that camera not only stopped recording, I mean, it disconnected and stopped recording on its own. Oh, that's so disheartening. It's going to be downright hot. Oh, this little lake is suffering right now with all this duckweed. Yowza. Surely the fish still have to eat. Down to 1 camera now. Oh, good Lord, it's worse than yesterday. Those baby ducks. I hear you, babies. Okay, I rebooted everything. All 3 are back running. We'll see if they stay running. Probably won't, but see what happens. You know how GoPros like to have their warm-up time. It's weird, but it's true. Here comes that wind, of course. As soon as I get out here, look, out of nowhere, it went from nothing to 15 miles an hour. Just 1 again. All 3 connected. I had to do a manual reboot. Oh, I just had a hit. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, barely got him in. Come here. Jeez. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Easy, easy, easy. Wow, you just beat yourself up. First fish of the day. That is a cold, cold bass. Wow, you are freezing. Go on. Ooh. 1 fish. He destroyed the Senko. Boink. I don't want to say anything because I don't want to jinx it, but maybe it's warmed up. Go back to the worm. Right in that grass. Oh, oh, that felt like a good fish. Nope. But I'll take it. Right in the bottom of the mouth. Don't know how that happens, but look at that. Number 2. Another cold, pretty dark bass. Crap. Kind of acting like it's cold front moving in right now. Maybe we've seen our high for the day 15 minutes ago. I'm just throwing into the little pockets and corners, and they seem to be aligned up in that stuff. Ooh, I'm getting blown all over. Yeah, I wish I'd have been out a couple hours earlier. There's one. Oh. You little turd. You got it at the last minute. This is one of those that has the iridescent. You probably can't see it on the camera, but it's like green right there. Sorry, Bubba. Little bitty turd. Pterodactyls. Look at his legs. Oh my God. His legs were hanging all down. Oh look, he woke those up. Boy, they can barely get up. I'm being dive bombed. Oh, they chased those out of there. Wow. Yep. They chased the other ones out. And they're not happy about it. Probably a nest over here. Wow, gang. There's one biting. Oh my word. They're hungry, they're just little. Number 4. They are just little. Oh, look at his rattlesnake pattern. Pretty. Don't know if you can see that. Bye-bye. Okay, that time I just rebooted the remote. I did not touch my cameras. So we'll see if this lasts for a little while. Could be just a temporary answer to this problem until GoPro fixes it. Yowza, look at that, guys. Holy smokes. Oh my goodness. This all blew from the other side of the lake, so I might be able to fish that side now. Look at that, we just came through here. Now it's a carpet. Wow, looks like a curtain. Jeez. I'm gonna see if I can entice something to slam my Senko. Look at that. Yep, this stuff blew across. Oh, look at that. Do you see it, guys? Probably not, but that sucker just nailed it. Oh, this is good. This could be fun. Just try to let him have it. He missed it. I just gonna have to work to keep myself off of the mat. Come on, get it. He wants it. That's 3 misses. Oh. Just had a pop right there. Let's see if he'll hit it again. Got it that time. That feels like a good fish, guys. It's decent. Decent. Got him in the mat. What a beauty, look at that. Fat belly on him. Oh yeah, what a pudge. What a pudge, Rodriguez. Look at that stomach. Oh, goodness gracious. Stout little piggy. Couldn't resist a Senko. Oh, I love it when they're so fat. Bye-bye. Well, that was a fun little outing. Thanks for joining. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.